Hello, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. Today I'm doing this sketch challenge, which is for Stamp with Joy. It's a pretty straightforward one. Saturdays I post card making videos, and usually they've got a sketch theme. Sundays is when I do my Christmas cards. My Christmas cards are ready for tomorrow. I think what I want to do for this one is I want to use the I want to make sort of an autumnal card, and I don't know to use this sort of blues, and these are papers from last year from Stampin' Up, but it's like just reminding me of sort of windy leaves blown around in the wind. And I wanted to use my free stamp set that I got from Chloe Stamps. I'm really looking forward to buying some Chloe stamps. I've seen a few that I like. So I'm wondering about doing... I'm still full of cold, by the way. I'm wondering about maybe doing the dress blowing in the... I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the little basket of washing, and I'm going to do Crafting Forever housework whenever. And I don't think I'm going to use the washing line. I don't think. No, I'm not going to use the washing line, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the other layers, and then I'm going to do that on top, and then I'm going to do in my big square, I'm going to put that at the bottom and that in the sentiment at the top. And then I'm going to put a strip of ribbon across, and then I'm going to put something here. I think. I think that's what I'm going to do. So the first thing I need to do is get this cut down to the right size, and get this cut down to the right size, and then I need a piece of Very Vanilla. Is this Very Vanilla? That's Whisper White. I need a piece of Very Vanilla to go on top, because obviously this is only going to be half the size of the paper. So yeah. So I'm starting off with a 4x7. A 4x6, sorry. So I'm just going to cut that down to a 3 7/8 by 5 7/8. That can go there. And then this piece wants to be 3 1/4. Use the 3 3/4 by 4 and 3 by 5 3/4. I'll get my measurements right one day, won't I? By 5 3/4. And then I want a piece of Very Vanilla to go across the middle there. Yeah, so I'm just going to pop that. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this at the bottom. So what I'll do is my 3 and... I'm going to cut this to 3 3/4 as well. By... I'll make this slightly bigger. So I'm going to make this 3 3/4. And I'm going to make this 3. So 3 1/4 I'm going to make it. No, 3 1/2. Right? So I'm going to put that on to the top of that there. Okay, that'll be my join there. And then should I put that at the bottom there? I think I'll put that at the bottom there. And then I'll stamp on, I'll pop on the Housework stamp there. Put the Housework stamp on there. And then I'll put my square on here, which is going to be square. So this is 3. I'll make it 3 by 3. So that's going to go there. And then I'll put more of this paper on top, which will be 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. Which can go there. I'm going to cut it quite close because I don't want it to be massive. And that can go across there. And then all I need to do is the flower or the rosette, whatever it is I'm going to put on there. So I just need to pop my wash basket on here. So then that can go onto there, directly onto there. That can go onto there. That can go across there. And then we just have the rosette basically to go here. Oh, one thing I do want to do, I just want to give this effect of grass, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of old olive around the wash basket to give that outdoor feel. Right. I'm just going to punch that out, and I'm going to punch out a bigger one in the blue. I'm just going to pop this across the join here, just to add something. So there we've managed to get to the card at the end. So now I've got all my bits, I'm just going to stick it all together. So. and pop that there. And there we go. There's my card. What do you reckon to that? It's quite a nice card for me. Quite unusual for me to do a card like that. Okay, and I'll see you again tomorrow for my Joy of Sets Christmas card, which is a lovely one this week. I really enjoyed it, and it's really different to last week's. I'm on week 16 now. 16 Christmas cards I've made to pop in that album, so I'm quite pleased with myself. And then watch out on the first week in November for my first week of my design team project, because for Positive Papercraft, because I loved making it, and I just love the card myself, so I can't wait to share that. Okay, so take care, and I'll see you again soon.